Good morning, everybody. Today I'll teach you light chapter. Light. Light is a form of energy. Actually, it is one form of electromagnetic wave that causes sensation of sight. Mainly here, the speed of light changes when it enters from one medium to another medium. The speed of light in vacuum or air 3 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. This one speed of light in air. Like this speed of light in water 2.25 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. Then speed of light in glass equal like this. See here a 2 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. Look here. Air speed 3 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. Water speed 2.25 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. Then glass speed 2 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. Gradually that speed decreases. Yes, then the speed may increases or decreases depending on the optical density of the medium its enter. That means optically this one a rarer medium and this one denser medium. Compared to these two, here speed of light in air and speed of light in water. This one rarer medium and this one denser medium. Here also this one in these two, this one rarer and this one denser medium. Is the next one refraction. The change in the direction of the path of light when it passes from one transparent medium to another is called refraction. This one first medium air is means rarer medium, and this one second medium, maybe this one glass is. Then here one in between air and glass interference, this one. Then first look here one normal. First I'll say here some technical terms for refraction. After that I'll say that rarer to denser. Look here this line, maybe this one glass surface a b, and this one the source of light, let s sun. Here incident at point o, then so is the incident ray, the ray of light incident upon the surface of separation of two medium. This one first medium layer and this one second medium, then separation of two medium. Here incident at the point o, then o so incident ray. Then here this one o let p refracted ray, the ray of light traveling in the second medium. This one first medium, this one second medium, traveling in the second medium, second surface of the separation two medium is called refracted ray. Look here this one second medium, first medium this one, then this ray is refracted ray. Then point of incident, where the light incident on the surface of that separation. Here O is the point of incident, the point where the ray hits the surface separates the two medium is called. Here separates, this one the separation, first medium, second medium, this point is point of incident. Then normal, the is a normal, let n o and and as a perpendicular line drawn at the point of incident is called normal. Point of incident, this one perpendicular, then this one normal is. Then next, angle of incident. Look at this angle, angle in between incident ray and normal, that angle of incident denoted by I. Then here angle of refraction, the angle made by the refraction ray with the normal at the point L. Normal and refraction, this angle is angle of refraction R is. Then first one here incident and refracted ray, NO and dash normal, I the angle of incident, R is the angle